what about the DIY crafting? Like there's the gift sets and all this stuff now that you
Yes.
put together.
I think this is a brilliant idea. So many companies now have had to really get crafty and creative about how they continue to sell their products and get it to the masses. And one company actually is based in LA, in My Solitude, LA. They've been doing these DIY candle intention workshops where they send the materials for making your own candle to each individual member of your party. You select your date and everybody sets their intention for 2021. It's workshop led, and you're making your candle, you're setting your intention with your family. And I can't think of a better way to ring out this year and ring in the new one than to set an intention candle so you can go into 2021 manifesting the things that you absolutely want and need and love.
Do you hear me with the manifestation, the intention candle?
I
I'm
mean, we
getting
could
on
do
that.
this. We could do this. We could
I'm
do
so
this.
down. I'm
Let's do
so,
it.
let's do it.
I'm ready.
Tiffany, you always come through with the best tips. Thank you so much. It's good to see you.
It's good to see you as well.